Safety is the first priority when working on any power tool. Always disconnect the drill from its power source by removing the battery pack before beginning any maintenance work. Next, fully open the chuck jaws to access the internal components. The chuck contains several key parts, including the jaws, body, and a securing screw that holds everything together. Inside the chuck, you'll find a securing screw with either a Phillips or Torx head. This screw is reverse threaded, which means you turn it clockwise to loosen it, the opposite of normal screws. Insert a large Allen key into the chuck and tighten the jaws around it securely. Then, while holding the drill firmly or securing it in a vise, strike the Allen key sharply with a hammer in a counterclockwise direction to break the chuck loose. Once the chuck is loosened from the hammer strikes, you can unscrew it completely by hand. Unlike the securing screw, the chuck itself has standard right-hand threads, so turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the spindle. Begin the installation by thoroughly cleaning both the drill spindle and the inside of your new chuck. Remove any debris, old grease, or metal shavings that could prevent proper alignment. Carefully align the new chuck with the drill shaft. Thread it on by hand, turning clockwise until it's snug but not fully tight. This ensures proper thread engagement before final tightening. Insert a large Allen key into the chuck and tighten the jaws around it. Using a hammer, strike the Allen key in a clockwise direction to fully tighten the chuck onto the spindle. This creates a secure connection. Now reinsert the securing screw inside the chuck. Remember, this screw has reverse threads, so turn it counterclockwise to tighten it. This screw prevents the chuck from loosening during use. Finally, test your installation by inserting a drill bit and checking that it's held securely. The chuck should grip the bit firmly without slipping, and the drill should operate smoothly. Consider upgrading to a keyless chuck, such as the Jacobs 5000 series. These modern chucks offer improved grip strength and prevent drill bits from slipping during operation, making your work more efficient and reliable.